Hello, we will talk about AI news. And it's been a while since the Grok 4 came out, but I waited for the human benchmarks, human preference benchmarks, LM Arena specifically. Grok 4 is trained on 200,000 GPU clusters with reinforcement learning. And they also increased their efficiency by 6 times by optimizing their pipeline. Here we can see the humanities last exam benchmark. They can get 50% with Grok 4 Heavy using Python and internet search. And humanities last exam is, as you might already know, the exam where the true human capability AGI is achieved with 95%. And yeah, new tools like X search, web search, research, and the Grok Heavy is a model that uses more computation power. They also talk about some new benchmarks, like apparently they loaded these models to vending machines, and vending machines talk with the customers, and with this model they sold more products, something like that. Also an anime character, or many characters are getting added, like character AI. And in LM Arena it sits at the 4th place, but human preference can be tricky because my use case might not evaluate well the models, because a very simple task might not show the difference between two models. So Gemini 2.5 Pro is at the top and you can use it for free. And yeah, Qwen 3 is also out, 235 billion. A mixture of expert model with 22 billion inference parameters, and Kimi K2 is also out. It's an open source Chinese model. It's better than R1. And also Qwen 3 30 billion model with 3 billion inference is also out, and it has 256,000 tokens, which is really good. It is multilingual. It has enhanced reasoning, coding, math skills according to them, and there are no thinking blocks. It operates exclusively on non-thinking mode, and I'm suspicious from some distillation approaches here on this model. We can see GPQA, AIM, and other popular benchmarks. They sometimes catch with Gemini 2.5 Flash, the Flash, not Pro. These are all non-thinking, by the way. This model is non-thinking, and they're comparing with a non-thinking modes or versions of other models. Yeah, it still shows a lot. It's a good option, I think. Its size is 30 billion. And it can match 4o's level and passes it on most of the benchmarks according to them. You also have to check yourself. Kimi K2 was out, and now the Turbo is here. The same model, 4 times faster according to them. Now it supports 40 tokens per second, and the prices are quite cheap. The other news is from Google. They're introducing Opal, describe, create, and share your AI mini apps. This is not a vibe coding platform. It can be a vibe coding, but I checked them, and they're showcasing more like a non-coding pipelines. You create pipelines like this for your tasks, like content generation, video generation, and you probably do that. Another new here is from Notebook LM. Notebook LM is adding a slide it's like a video generation, but actually it's generating slides for audio generation. Notebook LM was RAG solution by Google. You upload your sources, context like videos or PDFs, documents, and you can summarize them, do other things, and also you could create a podcast or a voice summary. And also the one of their feature is here. You can listen the voice summary, and you can also join them by pressing this join button to interrupt them, and you can talk with them, ask questions to them, and direct the question. I was testing some advanced mode capability. I was trying to imitate it by a demo I'm doing, and the problem was when the model speaks, it's hard to interrupt them. They cannot differ their own voice, talking voice, when they're also listening. I mean, if you do not give them to voice to the outside and listen them with the earbuds or something, it might work. Or else, even though I tried optimizing to the noise, the current noise of the room, it doesn't work. So this is a good approach by giving an input to interrupt them. WebGuide, this is a new experimental searching, AI searching approach. And generally we ask something and we see the results, and this one you ask something and the search categorizes it, and according to this categorized, it groups the results. So it's a better experience for you, but it's experimental and its state is unknown. Now I don't know how to pronounce it. ANS, I might say. ANS transforms how historians connect the past. This is about old inscriptions. It says the first artificial intelligence model for contextualizing ancient inscriptions. It can search semantically in these contexts. They can also see the image and guess more data about it, like metadata, such as the time or place, other things, and also you can restore the gaps of unknown length like this, and it, according to them, is SOTA in the benchmarks, the best model for now. Another thing is GLM-4.5 model from Thai.org. It's ZI, I think it's from China, Beijing, and it has 355 billion total parameters with 32 billion active parameters. And also, according to their benchmarks, they are at the level of Grok 4. And I also wanted to test it. And I saw that it has AI slides as well. When I tried AI slides, it didn't went as good as I expected. In other people's demos, it creates multiple page slides, but for me it only creates a single one. And I tried again with a different prompt that asks the same thing. And yeah, they're pretty much the same, but it's still useful. I think it can give you an idea and help you. It's totally free, by the way. I don't know how are the limits. I didn't use it much. And I also tested with zero shot browser game making. I asked it to make a rugby 8 browser clone. And I also I asked the same with other LLM providers like Anthropic and LM Arena, and it was as the user experience was the most fun one. Yes, it was not not even perfect, but it wasn't good. For example, they stuck there. Let me restart the game. So it starts like this. The problem is the AI is pretty stupid, and yeah, not passing, nothing really works, and you just score it. But if you compare it with other ones I tried, for example, this is Anthropic Cloud Sonnet 4 generation, and look, there's seriously nothing going on here. I can't shoot, I can't pass, I don't know what's going on. What's the matter? Okay, and this one is the AI Studio, Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is a lot better than the previous one, but no shooting, nothing works. And as you can see, AI is stupid as well. And when you score or got caught, it just fails. Like they act unintelligently. Yeah, enough of that. Cursor's bug feature is now out of the beta. Bug reviews pull requests and identifies bugs, security issues, and code quality problems. And yeah, you send a PR, and they identify the bug, find if there's a security issue or not. And yeah, that's a nice feature. We will follow in the future. OpenAI's ChatGPT agent casually clicks through "I'm not a robot" verification test. This is super funny. According to a Reddit user, he was trying a ChatGPT agent, and the ChatGPT agent was clicking the "I'm not a robot" checkboxes without hesitation and without problem. It passes. It was quite funny and interesting topic I want to share because of that. And finally, this is Figure AI robots. It's Helix. It's not teleoperated. It is doing daily course. I think Helix or the Figure robot is focusing more on these home helper use case, and they are the best at it. I heard that the other companies are trying the same, but they don't have the AI eye hand coordination, or some of them even don't have the hands, and they are still too expensive.